welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your very first time stopping by. Today I have an exciting collaboration with BOOHOO. You guys know I love BOOHOO. I do film occasional BOOHOO hauls on my channel. It's been a while, so when they said they wanted to collaborate with me, I was like, of course, I need to do this collaboration. So I do have a really big package here from BOOHOO. I will be inserting the try-on portion on the screen so you can see, but I have a lot of items to pull out of this bag. I am so excited. Before I get started with this video, I would love it if you would take a moment just to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Everything I show you in today's video will be linked down below in my description box in case you want to purchase any of these items. Also, my measurements will be down below so that way you can compare and see how it'll fit on your body, on your shape, and all of that. I'm really excited, so yeah, let's just jump right into this video. So everything is going to be pulled out in no particular order. I do have a lot of clothing pieces, but the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this clutch, and it's definitely giving me a look for less. It definitely looks like my Saint Laurent clutch. It has the same little wristlet, gold hardware, chevron detail. This is really nice for a night out. It's pretty spacious. You can actually fit a lot of items in here. Your phone, a full-size wallet, makeup, all of that good stuff. It'll hold a lot. I feel like this little clutch is very versatile. You can wear it with a casual outfit or you can wear it with a more dressy outfit. Very simple. This part here is also detachable, so if you don't want to wear it as like a wristlet, you can take that off and just simply wear it as a clutch as is. This is really cute. Something like this is just like a staple in your wardrobe because it'll go with dressy outfits and it'll definitely go with casual outfits as well. So again, I am a size 14 and I did choose everything in a size 14. So next up is this really cute like crushed velvet top. As you can see, it's like a crop top. It's off the shoulder. I really like off the shoulder tops. I think they're so adorable, and this one does have like clear straps, so you can actually wear these with the strap or just like tuck them in. I think that's a really nice little detail. It's stretchy from what I can see. The material is nice and thick, so this is perfect to wear right now. I'm in New York and it is a little bit colder, so if I'm like going out to dinner or something like that, this would be like a cute top to wear with like a pair of high-waisted mom jeans or skinny jeans or like whatever. Anything high-waisted with a crop top is always like a cute look in my book. And then the back is a little bit shorter than the front, but I love this little like front detail. Do you see how it kind of like goes down a little bit in the front? I think that's so cute. I cannot wait to try this one on. So next up is this chocolatey brown midi dress, and as you can see, it is like a little bit of a low-cut dress, but it does have some ruching detail down the middle. This looks so beautiful, and I like the fact that the material is not too thick. So this one is on the thinner side. I'm really drawn to this color. This one is from the LaT'ecia collection, the LaT'ecia line. I love that collection, by the way. I think their pieces are really pretty and like, I don't know, like sexy but classy at the same time. Kind of like this dress because it's not like too short. It kind of looks classy even though it's a very fitted, like nice dress. Well, I'm thinking it's going to be fitted by the way that it looks. So I'm excited to wear this one. So next up from that same collection, we have this little ensemble, which is like a little bit hard to show you, but it is a jumpsuit and it does come in other colors. So a lot of these items do come in other colors if you don't like the color options that I am showing you. The material on this one does feel nice and thick, so it doesn't feel like thin or anything like that. It does come with a little belt as well. You guys know I love little belts to like cinch in your waist and like accentuate your shape. And then it also has this thing which you have to like tie at the side. So this is a little bit of an interesting outfit, but it just looked so beautiful on the model when I saw it. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look. I was holding it up completely wrong, but this looks really nice on the model, and I was like, I just have to try that jumpsuit on. It looks so different and unique, and then the bottom does have like a little slit there, so this would be perfect to wear with some like heels. I think that would be like a really cute like dressy outfit. I've never seen a jumpsuit like this, so I had to grab this one because I mean it's so different and unique, and I feel like that's what makes your clothing, your fashion sense a little bit different. Just picking up things with a little bit of a tweak to them. Okay, so next up are these items, which are sold separately, but I did choose them to wear as like a full outfit. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this little crop top, and I do like the little plunging v-neck. I think that's so cute. There is a bra from Amazon that I will link down below, and there is one from Nordstrom that I will link down below that might be the perfect plunge bra to wear with these type of tops and dresses. So this is the back of it. Very simple, very cute. You definitely need to wear like a nude bra under this one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Even this alone with some jeans would look amazing. Your hair, your makeup done, your little black clutch. But yeah, so this is the top. And then also to go with the top, I did get these pants. So these are more of like a flowy wide leg pant. So I got this as like a full outfit. Like you can wear this with some heels. You can just wear this and this by itself once it gets a little bit warmer. You can totally pull off that look. But for right now, because it's cold, I did also choose this blazer to go with it. So this blazer is like a boyfriend fit blazer as well. Again, I have not tried on anything, but I can just tell by the look of it, this is going to be sexy but comfortable at the same time. It does have some like button details there, as you can see. Very, very cute. This pocket is faux, so it does not actually function, but it looks really nice. The material is like light to medium weight, so I do like the way the material is feeling. I just think this outfit is a whole entire vibe. So I'm noticing it does have some shoulder pads here, but I feel like sometimes shoulder pads on the right outfit looks nice, but if you don't like them, you can always just like simply snip them out of the outfit. I have done that many times before, but this is so cute, you guys. Like I cannot wait to wear this with some like heels. I am just picturing this entire outfit in my mind, like looking so like chic and classy. You can definitely mix and match these pieces, wear this with something else, wear the blazer over some jeans, wear this with a skirt. So you don't have to wear it as a set, but that was my intention when I chose these items, because I thought that would be such like a chic and classic look. So next up, I chose these skinny pants, these skinny like trouser pants. So that's what the bottom looks like. They're not as skinny as I thought they would be, but I chose these pants because they have like a little V right here, and I thought that would be so cute if you had like a little shirt tucked in and you had that little V detail accentuated. I think that would look really pretty. So I did choose these, and they're a simple black pair of pants. I feel like you can't go wrong with something like this. The material is similar to the white set that I just showed you, where it's like not super thick or thin, is somewhere in the middle, but still like breathable, but still warm at the same time. That's the impression that I am getting, and from my experience with all of my hauls, this is definitely going to keep you cool but warm at the same time. So this is just really simple and easy. You can wear these casually, you can dress these up. Just a simple basic pair of trousers with a little bit of an edge because of that V detail. So next up we have this little lounge set that you can totally wear out. You can wear it at home, but I thought it was so cute and different. So these are what the pants look like. They are more of like a little jogger style, very stretchy, comfortable, medium to lightweight. Love the color. It comes in other colors as well, I believe. I could be wrong, but you can always check the links. You guys, I never remember the color options and all of that, but they do have a lot of sizes available and all of that. So definitely check those links for all of the details. So those just pretty much look like a regular pair of pants, but it is a set, and it does come with this little top, which is so freaking adorable. Like, how cute is that? It comes with those little buttons there. Are these faux? No, so these are not faux. You can actually open them up. So you have this like really like cropped but long cardigan top as well. So you could totally wear this at home as a lounge set. You can totally wear this over some jeans as well. I think that would be so cute. You can probably even wear these over those black pants as well. Maybe you could even wear this over a dress as well. So definitely don't be afraid to like mix and match your pieces. Yes, this is technically like a lounge piece, but you can wear this top with so many different outfits to create like so many different unique looks. When I see something unique, I need it in my wardrobe, and the material feels really nice and soft. That's one thing I do really like about BOOHOO. From all of my hauls, I do really like the material. I feel like the material is pretty nice. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like it's going to rip on you after one use. That is definitely something I've noticed about their clothing items. It does look really nice for a long period of time. Okay, and the very last item I have to show you is a pajama set. Now, I know Christmas is over. Yesterday was actually Christmas. I am filming this the day after Christmas, but honestly, you guys, I wear Christmas stuff all year round. I wear holiday stuff all year round. Like, I really do not care. So I got these pajamas. This is the pants. As you can see, it's like a little candy cane pant, light material, stretchy, no drawstrings or anything like that. From what I can see, just a nice little stretchy waistband. I'm thinking these are going to be high-waisted, but the main reason I chose these was because of the top that goes with it. This is my all-time favorite like Christmas movie. just one of my all-time favorite movies ever made. I love this movie. It's Elf. It says, "Oh my god, Santa's coming." I love this movie. Absolutely one of the most funniest movies I have ever seen in my entire life. Very family friendly, so you can watch it with your children, with other people, but it is absolutely the funniest Christmas movie in the entire world. If you have never seen Elf, you need to go and watch Elf right now. Like, I'm telling you, this movie is hilarious. Like, it is perfect for anyone of any age, family friendly. You are going to love it. Just watch it and let me know. Thank me later. It is like probably a decade old, but such a good movie. The material on this feels really soft, so you guys know I like my lounge pieces to be like soft and comfortable. This is definitely soft and comfortable. I am probably going to change into this when I come home tonight, but yeah, and then you have the little candy cane bottoms to go with it. So yeah, I think that was pretty much all of the items. Enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I do have a few other Boohoo videos. I will link them down below. They are a little bit old, but you can still get some of the items because they are like repeat items that they do tend to restock. So thank you again. Happy holidays, happy new year, stay safe you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.